Alright, picture this. You're stuck in a gym or doing yoga inside your room, wondering if it's plotting against you. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's a way to get fit, have a blast, and ditch the fluorescent lights? Welcome to the wild world of outdoor and adventure workouts. Hey everyone, it's Vital Harmony here, and today we're trading in the gym for, well, basically anything outside. Forget the iron jungle, let's talk about real-life fitness. You know, the kind that makes you feel like a kid again, except with slightly more coordination. Or, at least, we hope so. Now you might be thinking, adventure workouts? Sounds intense. Do I need to climb Everest? No, unless of course you really want to. But we're starting small. Think of it like this, your local park is your new gym. And guess what? It's got all the equipment you need, just naturally. Let's start with the basics. Remember when you were a kid and you'd race your friends to the big oak tree? That's a sprint workout, folks. Fitness is everywhere. Ever tried hiking? It's basically walking, but uphill. And trust me, your glutes will thank you. Plus, you get those killer views for your Instagram. And let's not forget about the ultimate adventure workout, playing. Seriously, grab a frisbee, a soccer ball, or just chase your dog. You'll be burning calories without even realizing it. The best part about outdoor workouts? They're fun. You're not watching the clock, you're exploring, you're laughing, and you're getting fit. It's like exercise in disguise. And honestly, who doesn't love a good disguise party? Not only these, you can grab your yoga mat and do yoga or meditation outside the park. This will hit your lungs with extra freshness. Run, walk, do planks, yoga, stretching, and many more outside in open space. And your body will definitely love this new routine of yours. So, ditch the gym, grab your sneakers, and get outside. Your body and your sanity will thank you. And hey, if you see me trying to do a pull-up on a tree branch, just pretend you didn't see anything. Now go out there, have fun, and get your adventure on. By making this video, we don't mean you should not be in the gym or do indoor exercise or yoga, but sometimes you should be out and try to be under the open sky and enjoy nature while being fit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me about your favorite outdoor workout in the comments. See you next time.